Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's the closing bell. We've got just 1 hour to go. We are live, of course, in the morning with the Coca-Cola earnings. We've got Enphase earnings, and we've got Tesla earnings as well, all coming up. And today, for a bit of a treat, bit of a surprise, we are back on TikTok for the first time. We haven't been on TikTok now for a very, very long time. There you go, guys, on TikTok. There is the show. You can see my overall balance now is 107, actually, 107,508. You'll see a couple of moments delay, but it will come up because you're watching the YouTube broadcast. All right. In fact, what I'll do is I'll speed it up just a little bit so you don't have to wait quite so long. And if I go across to this button here and click settings and I go speed and I go 2 times, you will then see it'll actually come up. There you go. And you can see my balance there. All right. That'll bring you up to date. Brilliant. Well, nice to see you. Nice to be back on TikTok. Click the star there, become a subscriber, and I can do. We can do charts for you. We can review stocks for you. And if you want to join us on YouTube, the link's in the profile. Just click the profile. You'll find the YouTube link or the All Links button, and then you'll get the main big screen version of the show. All right. So without further ado, let's make a start. Welcome back, everybody. I'm just over on TikTok again today. If you look on the screen, I've just put TikTok here. In a few seconds, you'll see what you look like on TikTok right now. So if I tap the screen like this, you can see all the hearts coming up. And if you keep watching, you will see it. There we go. All right. Okay. Welcome back, everybody. Let's bring all the comments from YouTube on the screen. We've got Rob Brennan. Good day. Everyone is making money. Lucas Aids. Hey, family. Lovely to have you here. Great stuff. Welcome, everybody. Right, now then, well, what we're doing, we are doing Coca-Cola earnings in the morning. We're going to cover it live. We've then got, in the evening, we've then got the opening bell in the morning. We've then got the closing bell. And then on the main channel, this channel, we've got Sensei doing Tesla right after the bell, but I will be on the extra channel doing Enphase Energy. So I need to record a premiere for that. Let's do that now then. So here we go. ENPH, Enphase Energy. Right, here we go. So let's make my Enphase promo. Thanks for joining me this afternoon. It's lovely to have you all here. Right, here we go. Enphase Energy, ticker symbol ENPH. It's earnings once again after hours, July the 23rd. After the closing bell, we'll be covering the Enphase Energy earnings. Now, it won't be on this channel, the main channel. It'll be on our extra channel. So we have a whole network of channels. We have 3 channels in total. And this event will be on the extra channel. If you click above my head or down below in the description, you'll find the link to the event. I'm going to cover the Enphase earnings as I've always done before. On this channel, you might want to join Sensei as he does the Tesla earnings. There are 2 at the same time, so we're running 2 channels at the same time. It's always a bit exciting. So join us for that. So if you want the link for Enphase earning on the extra channel, click up here, down below here, and I'll put the event itself here, and I'll put the Tesla event as well. So you've got the Enphase earnings event there, and you've got the Tesla earnings there with Sensei here on the main channel. You can decide. Join us. It's going to be a great evening. We're going to learn a lot about Enphase. Very, very important stock, and it will set the market. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, there's the Enphase Energy earnings promo. We're now going to do the one for the other channel. At top. Main. Okay, so now we're going to do for extra. Okay. Enphase earnings, ticker symbol ENPH. Join us on the channel, on this extra channel, and we're going to cover the Enphase energy earnings. Now, it's a bit of an exciting evening because over there on the main channel, we have Sensei covering Tesla. So you can decide where you want to be. But here on the extra channel, we're going to cover the Enphase energy earnings. Now, I did say that one more quarter to go, not July the 23rd after hours, but one more quarter, the stock is going to turn around because by that time, we'll have the interest rates down and people will be buying solar once again. But for the earnings coming up, after hours, July 23rd, it'll be very, very interesting. We will get the guidance of where we're going next quarter, which is what it's really about. But it will be a volatile evening. I've no doubt about that. It always is. Presents great opportunities. One of my favorite companies has one of the best balance sheets on the stock market. So Enphase energy earnings here on the extra channel. If you want to watch Sensei do Tesla, that's on the main channel. So click above my head for the links down below in the description. Over here, I'll put the Enphase energy earnings, and down here, I shall put the Tesla earnings. Join us for Tesla or Enphase. Here on the extra channel, it'll be Enphase. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, fantastic. Who's joining me over there on TikTok tonight? Lovely to have you all with me. Okay, so there is the two of those. We've got Coca-Cola. That'll be on the main. We don't put promos on the extra channel. No point doing that. Right, now then, I've got a link here. For those of you who are interested, just for a bit of fun, just so you can say hello, I used to be on TikTok all the time, and I was asked to go back on TikTok. So I'm live on TikTok right now. So if you want to pop in, let me give you the link right now. You can pop in and just get a different angle. It's the side angle looking at the screen. If you want to see what this looks like, here is TikTok. If you are coming from YouTube, there you go. I'll give it you twice. Just pop in and say hello. I'm going to give it to my Rumble audience as well. Be interested to see who pops in and says hello. The main show, of course, is here on YouTube. This is the home of the show. Then we have our sister channel, which is the Rumble channel. And then for some fun, we have our goings on the extra channel. If you click the subscribe button, you get extra perks and benefits. Let's try it out. Let's see what happens. This is what it looks like. That's what TikTok looks like. That's the angle you're getting on TikTok. It's a completely different sound and a completely different thing. Anyway, oh, hello, Craig. Because that Craig M's just popped in. Can you see that? Did you see on the screen? That's one of our YouTube members. He just popped in. Craig is now our number one on TikTok. Nice to have you, Craig. What do you think? I've not been on TikTok for a while now. I just thought I'd give it a go. There you go. Bit of fun there. Right. Craig is our number one gift. He's got a number one gift badge. That's what it's all about. Right. Okay, let me come back to here. Now then, let's talk about what we're covering tomorrow. So we've got Coca-Cola in the morning and Tesla, Enphase in the evening. Yeah, we can't do Google and Matador. We can't do 4 at the same time. It's just completely impossible. But I wish we could. I will check the times. Let me see what time Google is. I'm 99.9% certain there's no way I can do it as well. I would have liked to have done. Preview the earnings. Google is 1:30, 2:30, 3:30. No, it's at 3:30, which is when we're starting. It won't be over in an hour. Tesla, no, it's impossible. You can't do them. You can't do more than 2. 2's crazy. All right. Yes, the button activated, James007. How's the Rumble doing, Martin? Okay, how's Rumble doing? Let me show you. So, all I wanted to do was beat $5. That's all we did last month on Rumble, all right? So, all I wanted to do was beat $5. So, I've worked really hard this month, and I will share with you, this is how much you earn on Rumble, okay? There it is. So far this month, $7.89. Not a great deal. It's a good job I live on YouTube, right? But there you go, $7.89. So the point is, it's beaten it, so we're going to go live for another month, all right? We're going to give it a go for another month. And hopefully next month we'll beat it again. And as long as there's some growth, it doesn't have to be every month, then we'll continue. But we are growing. We've got 1,200 followers now. Rumble is growing, but it does take a while. But we will stick with it at least for another month. All right. So there we go. Let me just come back to the main show. Come into there. There we go. So yes, Rumble will happen another month. Crag, your name remind me of racing game I used to play called Crow Mag Rally. Now, I never heard of that. I've done well on Rumble this month. Just over $30 so far. Must look that up. Crag, so what do you do on Rumble? You made $30. How is that possible? I go live all day, every day, and I put all the videos on Rumble as well. How have you made $30? Can you give me your Rumble account? I'm going to have a look. What do you do on Rumble? Last month, $10, so growing. Yeah. Can you give it to me in Discord? Links for YouTube, so I can just go and grab it. I just upload videos. So you don't go live at all. You just upload videos. Okay. Well, I guess no one likes my videos on Rumble. But I get like 100 views for each one. How many views do you get then for each one? I get about 100 for each one, I suppose. 80, 90, 100, something like that. Sometimes a bit less, but, you know, sometimes 100. Anyway, show me your, give me your link in the Discord and I'll go and have a look. Links for YouTube, if you wouldn't mind, because that's brilliant. You're always watching me. So how do you get time? Yes, it's just a Trump channel. Oh, I see. You talk about Donald Trump all the time. Yeah, that's very popular, isn't it? Yeah, absolutely. That will be very popular. I've never actually been on Rumble. I need to check it out. Well, there you go. James, here is my, I'm live right now on Rumble. YouTube is our home though. Just remember that. 99.9999999% of my income, revenue, views is on YouTube, of course, by a long way. I have never actually tried it. You're not talking about Trump or Andrew Tate enough to make money on Rumble. Oh, I see. Is that what it's about? Yeah. Anyway, send me the link and I'll go and check it out. Crag, you need to put your link. Yes, absolutely right. Hello, Martin. How you doing? Felician Banzoko. If anyone actually comes from TikTok today into YouTube, pop on in. I'd love to see if anyone does come in from TikTok today. Anyway, so Enphase Energy. Look at today's rally. We talked about it. We talked about a pivot, a correction. Well, not really a correction, but a transference has occurred. We all pivoted from the mega caps, the small caps, and now it's come straight back. And as you can see, my wages has gone in today. That's why the portfolio is up a couple of grand. My wages has gone in, so it hasn't gone up that much. It's gone up. I've added 2 grand, so I've reduced my margin by 2,000 a day. I get paid every month, so 107,517 now is my all-time balance. That's if I sold every single share right now. That's what I would have. Crag dropped it in. All right, great. Links for YouTube. Links for YouTube. Okay. Let's have a look. Yes. 105 followers. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. This doesn't make any sense. Crag, I'm really confused. I have got 1,200 followers. You have got 105. Your video's all about Trump. I get that. You've got 2 views, 1 view. I've got 100 views on nearly all of them. 1876, whatever. How the heck are you earning more money than I am? I don't get it. Do you get a lot of super chats? Do people give you super thanks and stuff like that? Let me show you. Let me show everybody what I mean. This is a real mystery. Look. So look, here is, you got 105 followers, look. Right? And 7 views, 4 views, 4 views, right? 15, 10, 63 on that one. Congratulations. 40, 4, 8, right? So you've got less views than me and less followers. Now, if I show you my account, this doesn't make any sense. Let me have a look. So this is that's my music channel. This is my investment channel. Look, I've got 1,200 followers, right? And that's just been posted like 2 minutes. That's just started now. That's just been posted. It hasn't had a chance to get any. Look, 132, 72, 54, 34, 32, 53, 67, 83, 48, 55, 231. How am I earning less? I would love to know. Am I doing something wrong and you're doing something right? When you look in the analytics, I only earn money on Rumble. Nothing on YouTube, nothing third partner. No super thanks, yet it took into next pages. Might be some videos get a lot more though. Yeah, look into next pages. Might be some video. That makes no sense. Let me share again. Let's go to the next page. How could you possibly... 32, 32, 7, 20. I've got... My live streams are all like 100, 200. I don't get it. No super chats. I'm going to have to speak to Rumble. How can I... Am I jealous? Yes. I've got 12 times as many subscribers and my views are higher and I'm earning half of what you're earning. That doesn't make any sense. 7 views, 6 views. Look at that. Have you got any more analytics to explain to me why that is? Have you got any idea? I am baffled. I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to email Rumble because that doesn't make any sense. It's like maybe something's wrong with my account then. Because I'm getting the views and I've got the subscribers, but I'm earning a fraction. That's weird, isn't it? Cheers, Craig. Warren Buffett said he'd rather own a great company at a fair price than a fair company at a great price. Do you agree with this, Martyn? 100%. Absolutely. That's why I own the S&P and I own the businesses. I don't trade stocks. I just own the businesses and I will always acquire more. Absolutely. Reminds me of what you were saying about Texas-Pacific land. Exactly. Doesn't matter that Texas-Pacific land is expensive. It's expensive because it's good. And at the end of the day, you own it and it'll make you money. You don't have to worry about it. It'll always make you money. I've no idea how the payment system works. I can get a few good days, then falls back below $1 again. Yesterday was best yet, $5. That doesn't make any sense. You've never had any... I don't get it. That doesn't make any sense. That makes no sense at all. No super thanks yet. It took yet. If it look into next pages, might no, it's not that. I think I got lucky with a few videos and got a lot more views on them. Just do nothing but Taylor Swift videos, Martin. What is that all about? Seriously, I go live all day, every day, and and I turn all my videos onto Rumble as well. And I've got 1,200 subscribers. Craig's got 105, and all my views are between 30, 40, 50, 100, 178, 200, and his are around about 5 views, 10 views, 20 views, and he earns double what I earn. Well, I don't get it. I don't understand it. Don't understand that. I'm going to have to message. I've got Chris Pavlovski's number. We've spoken before. And he's the CEO of the company. And I'm going to message him. I say, are you not paying me right? Anyway, just do Taylor Swift. Craig, how many videos do you put on Rumble a day? I put about 7 on a day. No, about 8 or 9, actually, because I do the live streams as well. So, yeah, I put a lot out there. It doesn't make any sense. Rumble has been rumbled. Go get those dollars, Martin. Something ain't right. Can't possibly. Looking at the numbers and the subscribers, I should be earning about 10 times as much. And I'm earning half as much. So that doesn't make any sense, does it? Anyway, Craig, thanks for letting me know. And thank you for sharing that information, because I hope you don't mind, but I'm going to go to Rumble. I'm going to go to Chris Pavlovsky and say, any idea why I'm not earning any money? Because this is ridiculous. Oh, cheers. Shall we have our tea? Come on then. Come on then, mate. Let's have our cup of tea. Turn the camera around. Cheers, James. Cheers. I just remembered I didn't turn my spotlight on. There you go. Didn't turn my spotlight on, but there you go. Okay, let's carry on. A good lot last few months, James, could all add up, but to more views of putting out 40 or 50 videos. I put 7. I put 7 every day. Craig, you don't put as many as that out. I don't get this. Time for a nice, refreshing cup of tea. Enjoy. Thank you, James. Look, the time of the day, the people watching that. Look at the time of the day, people watching. It makes no difference, because when you post a video, it's there forever. So, you know, if you put out a video, I mean, I'm putting them out all day and I'm streaming all day. So content is being delivered all day. It doesn't make any sense. It just doesn't add up. I should be 10 times as much as Craig, and I'm half as much. Anyway, we've only got half an hour, because I've got to go right on the bell tonight, because I've got to take Leah somewhere. So that's happening right on the bell. Let's have a look at the charts today. All right, we've got Virgin Galactic up today, 8.2. That's a nice turnaround. Palantir is down. Gold is down but heading up. The S&P is up tonight. Very, very nice indeed. I'm up. It's up 1%, which means I am up 1.6. Can you see that? If I zoom in, I'm at 1.6, whereas the S&P, which is what I'm in, is up 1. So as you can see, it's nearly double as much because of margin. Amazon is up, trimming off a little bit. Apple's up, trimming the same. Next to it, energy is going sideways, up today 1.5. Enphase is down, but of course we cover the earnings tomorrow night. There's the earnings for that. Coca-Cola is down. That's no surprise for the morning. Usually about 20 at least clips. You put out, oh, hang on then. You put 20 a day out. Yes, usually about 20 at least. Oh, well, there's maybe one reason. I don't put 20 out a day. I put about 7 out, but I couldn't possibly do 20. Anyway, Coca-Cola, J&J, Chevron, oil down. Tesla up today, 5.2. Rivian is up 2.6. McDonald's up 0.8. Google up 2.54. Microsoft 1.37. Nvidia 4.5. So all of the rotation has gone back into the Meg 7 again, the Magnificent 7. Tilray, no surprise. Kamala Harris, we talked about it. We put the video out. We explained why that was, and it's happened. No surprise there. Robinhood is flat at the moment. IonQ going up. Way too expensive for that. Rocket Lab, 2.5%. Nice. Plug is down. Rumble is up 5.62. That's where my money's gone. Look, Rumble is up. Funware up 2%. Ascent Solar it's down 1.52. FFIE. Look at this. Very strange trading day. Bitcoin down 0.4 and Ripple up 4.7%. All right then. Made $100 at trading LESL today. Crazy market in Martini Racer. Lovely to have you here. For those of you that are interested, just for some fun, I'll see how it goes. I was asked by one of our members, actually, he's not here today, which is a great shame. I was asked by one of our members, would I mind going back on TikTok again? So just for some fun, I might not do it every day. It doesn't actually make any money, really. But I'm on TikTok. So if you want to go and check me out and wave to me from a side angle, there is TikTok. This is what you see if you are in TikTok. You might want to pop in and say hello. Here it is. There's not really a good angle that I can do it with TikTok, I'm afraid. It's just the side angle because you can't stream properly with your screen or anything like that with TikTok. You have to just do it like this on your phone. So it's very, very difficult. Anyway, there's TikTok for you. Let's have a look. RW, hello, how you doing? Bitcoin, Nvidia came out of nowhere over the past couple of years. Unless I'm just, yes, you're absolutely right. It did just come out of nowhere. You're absolutely right. It did come out of nowhere. 67,000. Yeah, I'm all out of that now, as you know. Hey up, banana heads. Vaz, I'm late to the party. How are you, Vaz? Lovely to see you here. I haven't forgot about you. RW, hey, Vaz. Raman. Right. For those of you just tuned in, I've got some important information for you about some events coming up. First of all, then, if you've missed it, we've just put out, I say we, it's just me. I've just put out a load of new videos that you might not have seen. We've got CrowdStrike, warning. I've explained the pros and cons to that. Short news from Immunity Bio, IBRX. Tesla earnings. Now, the Tesla earnings is after hours on this channel. Let me have a little poll and let's see. So start a poll. Which earnings will you follow tomorrow night? Which earnings? So there's here, Tesla, Sensei. Sensei is here on the main channel. Or Extra, Enphase, and me. All right, so which earnings are you going to watch tomorrow night? Tomorrow morning, it's Coca-Cola, but tomorrow night, after hours, we've got Tesla on the main channel, right where you are now, with Sensei, and I'm on the Extra channel with Enphase. There is the poll. Let's see how you vote. Okay. We've got lots of chart videos just gone out as well to set for Sensei to prepare for the earnings. So you've got a lot of charts there to check out if you've not yet done it. Okay. Let's read these extra comments. Ram Martin, we are doing SMX. Are we doing SMX? Let's have a look. I don't think so. I don't think anyone's booked SMX. Let me have a look. It's first come, first serve. Nobody has booked SMX. No, it's a minimum $5 super chat, and you can book it if the date is not already gone. So let's have a look for you. You want to see about it, do you? I'm doing about 20 for free, just part of the service. But if you want me to do any more, it's a minimum $5 super chat, and I will cover the earnings. Now, SMX is expected August 6th. August 6th after hours. So that's when it's expected, August 6th after hours. So let's have a look. August 6th. I've got Asti booked, but it can be on the extra channel. That's why it's a $5 super chat. If you want that, it's a $5 super chat minimum, and then we'll book it in. It's like £5, $5, whichever. And you can book it in. And once it's booked in, it's confirmed. All right. Okay. Raman. So Vaz, I hope that's answered your question. So just wondering if it got scrubbed. It's you did mention it on the morning show, just so wondering if it got scrubbed. SMX, I've made an SMX video. I've not done there's not an SMX earnings at the moment. Okay. There's not an SMX earnings at the moment. I can do it if anyone requests it. In the video, I said if anyone requests it, I can do it. All right. Okay. Let's have a look. Going to get rid of the 52,000 in VU for TPL. What's your buy zone on it, Martin? Well, so God made a farmer. You've come just at the right time. You couldn't have come at a better time, because we have just done a video for the buy zone. There is my analysis on the stock, why I think it's the best stock ever. Let me give you the link for that. So if you've not yet seen it, there's the link for that. There is my full analysis, okay, in the chat for you. And then Sensei did a chart for it, buy zones and sell zones, and Sensei likes it and he wants to buy it as well, which is good, right? So everyone's like wanting to buy it. So I think it's a good Donald Trump play, Elon Musk play. I think it's a really good play for that. So there you go. Let me give you the link for that. Okay, there is the link. I've given you 2 links there, so you can find the buy zone, sell zone, support levels, and all the rest of it. Keep an eye on LPSN, Keith Jairam. I have to focus on my members. I'm sure you can appreciate that. If you want to become a member, there is the link just there. Martini Racer, watched your video about Trump plays, oil companies and drilling companies. I believe my money will rotate from the tech bubble back into energy soon. I'm currently in XOM, CHRD, RIG, and Gush. Okay, watched your video about Trump plays, oil companies. Did you watch the analysis? Did you watch Sensei's analysis as well? So there is, if you go on the homepage, just choose videos, or just type type it in. There's TPL. Sensei gave a chart, and there's my analysis. And I also did who was buying it, Trump versus Trump Elon play, and best ever. I did a couple of very short promotional videos for it as well. So there you go. Now then, let's see if this worked. Let's see if this worked. Martin, oops, no, hang on. That's not what I want. I want TPL. No point typing in Martyn Lucas. It's bound to come up. TPL stock. I wanted to try and rank number 1 in the world for it. Let's see if how I've done. I've just done a first. Oh, can you believe it? We this is great. This is why I love doing this. I love competing. I love working hard and winning. I love it. Look at this. Let me show you something now. Look at this. I did TPL for the very first time yesterday, didn't I? This is how the channel is growing. Look at this, folks. You're going to love this. So let me do this now. End phase. I've done that. So 35 TPL. Amazing, great news for TPL, Texas Pacific Land. You may remember a couple of days ago, I said I believe that this is the best stock you could possibly own. Gave you reasons why that was, and because of Elon Musk being the landlord for Elon Musk, and also Donald Trump, drill baby drill. The list goes on. I did a full analysis for you. Look above my head down below in the description. Also, we did a chart analysis. Sensei did all the buy zones, the sell zones. So we gave you 2 videos, all the different angles of the stock. Click above my head for that one and down below in the description. But also I said, wouldn't it be great to rank number 1 in the world on YouTube for the search term TPL stock? So I only started making videos on TPL yesterday. Brand new, fantastic, first time. Well, this is the power of the family and the power of the channel, people sharing and posting. Look at this in incognito mode. Look at this. I've just typed in, because if I type in Martyn Lucas TPL, obviously I'll rank number 1 for that. That would be pretty pointless. I typed in TPL stock, which is what everybody would type in if they wanted to know about that stock. Who ranks number 1 in the world? Let's have a look. On day 1, I beat CNBC television. Absolutely great. That's made my day. Martyn Lucas Investor, number 1, top channels for the search term, TPL stock, number 1 in the world. Now, why am I telling you that? Why am I getting excited? Well, because it's always great to rank above the TV channels and rank above others who've been doing it for years. So I feel pretty chuffed. There's our analysis. Look, there it is. And there's our chart analysis from Sensei. There's you are in the Donald Trump play I talked about. There's the Trump and Elon play. As you can see, I've ranked number 1 for it. Now, the reason why I'm telling you this, apart from it's really exciting for my viewers and members and the family, it's exciting because I believe that this is one of the best stocks you can buy. And if I'm ranking number 1 in the world for it, lots of people are hearing me say it's a great stock. Now, just to be absolutely clear, this is just for entertainment purposes. This is just for fun. I'm not suggesting for a moment that we can move the stock. Not at all. It's not what I'm talking about at all. We can move a stock which is a $1 million market cap, which is basically being run from your bedroom, but we can't move a mega cap like this. No, we can't. In fact, it's not a mega cap, it's a large cap. We can't move it. But however, if videos that are bullish about the stock are ranking number 1 and everyone's seeing them, it can't do any harm, can it? That's all I'm saying. It puts a good spin on it. And I like it. Genuinely, I like it. I think it's great. So I just thought I'd share that with you. TPL on day 1, straight out, boom, number 1 in the world. Love it. Click above my head for all the reviews down below in the description. I'll put the latest video over here, and I'll put the playlist for TPL and one of the highlighted videos, maybe Sensei's chart, and then my chart will be up in the playlist here. Either way, go and check it out. Fantastic. TPL. What do you think? The best stock? The best channel. Take care of yourselves and each other. Fantastic. I love when that comes together. Right. I did a couple of weeks ago with a fiver. Fiver, like £5. SMX. Do you mean SKX? Sketchers? I've got no SMX. Do you mean the SMX review? And if it was the SMX review, I've just done that for you. If that's what you mean, lithium, Malik, EC, yeah. So there's no reviews booked, and there's no earnings booked. NBC, I'm just checking. ASD, Rivian, Palantir, CVX, Apple, Amazon, SMX. There's SKX. So no, I think what might have happened is you asked for a review. Let me see. Did I do a review on SMX? Let me have a look. Sensei did a chart. We put that one out. Was that? Did you request that? Maybe you requested that. You said a couple of weeks ago. Well, we've just done. I could type it in, it would be easier. Oh, there we go. 2 weeks ago, SMX solution. There's a review there. Was that the one? So anyway, there we go. So I don't know what to say about that. There's definitely not been any confusion because I write it down as I do it. Do you get any advertising revenue from YouTube, or is it mostly memberships that provide your earnings? Just curious, no pressure. No, I'll answer everything. I will answer any question you want, always honestly, absolutely. No, I earn ad revenue as well. Yes, it's about 1 cent per person per video. So if you watch a video and you see an ad, it earns me 1 cent, thereabouts. It really changes dramatically. But yes, I do. I earn ad revenue, and I earn super chats, I earn super thanks, I earn memberships. That's correct. July 31st is LPSN. Thank you very much, but it is a members only thing, I'm afraid, Keith. Will the chat still be members only on Extra Channel for end-phase earnings? No. When we do the earnings, it needs to be open. Otherwise, it would be pretty crazy. It'd be pointless. It'd be pointless doing it. It's members only. It's open to all. Yeah. Martin, you should do a review of oil in general. Do some research, especially on the Strategic Petroleum Reserve. Martini Racer. I've got so many reviews to do at the moment, I can't do any more. I did book it a couple of weeks ago. I super chatted a $5. Well, I totally believe you, so I will add it. I just don't understand it. If you say you did, I will believe you. I don't know how I missed it, but I will put it in. I will put it in. So SMX, August 6th, after hours. I don't know how it happened, but... Oh, hang on. AMX. Oh, I can see what's happened. Vaz, I can see what's happened. August the 6th. August 6th. I've got AMX. That must be it. And the A is next to the S. Vaz, I just said I'll do it anyway. Oh, look at that. He super chatted me twice. I wrote an A rather than an S. It's next on the keyboard. So just so you know, I agreed to do that before you super chatted me again. You've just super chatted me again. I was already doing it. So that's very, very kind of you. Anyway, just know I was going to do it anyway. Tester Sensei Tuesday. Tester Sensei Tuesday. Hi, everyone. Yes, Sensei Tesla tomorrow night with Sensei here on the main channel. Thank you. So God made a farmer. You're welcome. Martin, also look at TPET, Trio Petroleum. Maybe you'll find that interesting too. RW, I've just done a review on that one. Me, MTDR. Crag, is the Rumble app available in the UK? I believe so.
Vaz donated £5 through a super chat. Just because I don't want to argue back and forth, because I super chatted it. Can we do SMX earnings, please? Thank you. Thumbs up.
Super shatted it. That's funny. You made the word one word, so it went super shat. Very good. Thank you very much, Vaz. I've booked it in anyway. I was doing it before you did that, so I'm going to write your name down next to it as well, so we know what it was. Very, very kind of you. Thank you very much. Crag, oops. Oh, hello, what happened there? Is the Rumble app? I will look, Martin. It looks like Sensitive had only 3 views. Looks like Sensitive had only 3 views when he shares. Oh, Sensei. No. Sensei had over 100 people on his show yesterday. You need to refresh the screen. If you go in and it looks like it's strange, just refresh the screen. He actually had, I'll tell you exactly what he had in yesterday. Sensei live show. Let's have a look. Sensei yesterday did, way more than that. Here's a Sensei show. There you go. I like to share this with everybody. There you are, Bill. Here you go. Sensei. That's Sensei's show yesterday. Scroll along, scroll along, scroll along, scroll along, scroll along. 231. He had 231. He did really great. Considering he's been gone 3 weeks, I thought he did really, really great. Jay Long, I feel CHRD is the best position to benefit from a restart of Keystone XL and lifting the drilling bans on federal land. Thank you, Martyn Eraser. Rank 1 and 3. Rank 1 and 3. You can't rank 1 and 3. Oh, with both channels, you mean? Yeah, that would be good. Robbie Cooper, how are we, Martin? Can you do a Luminar tech earnings on August 6th, same day as ASTI? Jay Long, no, there you go. That's why we have the super chats. First come, first serve. No, it's impossible because if ASTI moves, then yes. If you do a super chat, I can. But don't super chat me yet because ASTI might not move. ASTI keeps moving. If ASTI moves, then yes. But at the moment, ASTI's already booked in. Or whatever. So I'll write that down. So this is for Jay Long. Jay Long. Luminar. Okay. So I'm writing down not super chatted yet because we might have to do ASTI, all right? So I've written that down. Stay down, CNBC. Too good for too long. Martyn Lucas, boom. Yeah, boom. Get out of it, CNBC. Multi-billion-dollar channel with millions of viewers. Yes. Get out of it. Martyn Lucas is here now with his Lucas Aids. There's my mate, Rocket Man. How's it going, Tesla Jam? Hey, Sam, you've come at the right time because Tesla earnings tomorrow night. We're doing Tesla earnings tomorrow night. Sensei here on the main channel is doing Tesla earnings tomorrow night, straight after the closing bell. I will be doing Enphase on the extra channel. So join me for that. Right. TPL doesn't have options, so no expiration date. Afternoon, all thank you to Martyn Eraser. The ticker should be changed to MTPL. Martin's Texas. Yes, there it is. Good evening, Jay. I love it. SMX requested earnings with 5. Yes. Thank you. And FBI contract shortly after the video on the news. Yes, as I say, I put A rather than S. So I apologize for that. Hey, how you doing? Doesn't matter. I know. Thanks. You're a superstar. My pleasure. I'm sorry. SMX is a company. Yes, it is. I have Rumble and I'm UK based. Will we watch Google earnings tomorrow? Will we watch? No. We can only do 2 earnings at once. One on this channel, one on the extra. We're going to do Enphase and on the extra channel, and we're going to do Tesla on the main channel. I would love to do Google. Google is my boss. It's my employer, but I can't do 3 earnings at once. That's just not happening. SMX is Security Matters company, aka scam. They had the ones who supposedly have an $8 million contract with the FBI or something. I remember that. Nice audience, Sensei. He did very, very well. Thank you very much for doing the SoFi review last Friday. You're welcome. Elon Musk has applied for trademark for several brands of candy sweets. Perhaps he's trying to be the next Willy Wonka. When I looked, there was only 3. I would have been early anyway. He had about 15 people waiting for him, Bill. I think you need to refresh the screen. You are rank number 1. Rank 3 was someone called the Bold Investor. So I see. Oh, I see. Actually, probably won't move because they had the shareholder meeting the next day. But okay, let me know. Thank you. I will. Tesla Jam will be jamming then. Hello, everyone. Finally made it at the end of the broadcast. Hey, David. Martin, if you vote, you should have added the option both. I will be watching both earnings tomorrow night on main. Oh, James 007. That's why James 007 is a star member. 6 months member and a moderator. He's going to watch 2 channels at the same time. Bloody hell. That'll be interesting. Good luck with that. I will be as well, sort of, because I'll be monitoring what Sensei is doing to make sure he behaves himself. But anyway, it's just occurred to me that I'm going to have to make a... What will it be? Let's see if I can do this. I've only got a few seconds to go. Production. How will I do this? I think this will work. 9:16. Okay, so here we go. We'll try and do this. So it is something a little bit different for you. You've not seen this before. This is getting ready for tomorrow. I need a short. So let me, you don't normally see this screen. Mysteries are being revealed today. Mysteries. Okay, Tesla. Let me zoom in there. Right, there you go. All right. Let's get rid of, no, we'll leave that. Okay. Join us live on the channel tomorrow after hours, July the 23rd, for the Tesla earnings. We'll be live with the official earnings, listening to Elon Musk, providing all the information that you need, followed by debate and comment. Lots of charts will be provided by Sensei as well. It's one you cannot afford to miss. Join us on the main channel here with the Tesla earnings. Okay. Tesla earnings and also Enphase. Okay, let me do that. After hours, July the 23rd, after the opening bell, we are covering the Enphase energy earnings, but not on this channel. No, in fact, we're doing it on our extra channel. Click the links below and down below in the description and down here somewhere over here for the video attack. I don't know, whatever it is, something down there, and you can join us for the Enphase earnings on the extra channel. Join us. It's going to be a great evening. Okay. And lastly, Enphase Energy, join us live here on the Extra channel for our Enphase Energy earnings. Very, very important one, this one. It will set the market because it's all to do with inflation and rates coming down. That will set the tone for Enphase Energy. I don't expect a massive pop tomorrow, but July 23rd after hours, but I do expect it on the next earnings. So we're building up to that. So it's all about expectation, where we're going with guidance. Join us here on the Extra channel for Enphase Energy earnings. Right. How about that? TPL, that's shorts at end. Alrighty. How about that? How about it? How about it? Right, here, yeah. Enphase Energy, 31% are watching me. I knew Sensei would get a bigger show. Damn it. He's got the bigger channel and he's got the bigger stock, but I don't care. That's just the way it worked out this time. By the time Sensei had come back to me and he said, I would like to do Tesla, do you mind? And I know more about it. I went, that's fine. I know more about Enphase. I'd already advertised Tesla to be on this channel, so I then didn't want it to change to the Extra channel. That would confuse things. So otherwise, I would have been here on the main channel because it's my show, right? Sensei would have been in the rubbish channel, but unfortunately, it's not worked out like that. But that's absolutely fine. All right. RW, it was 2,400 at one point today. What was that? What's going on here? Tesla. Are you expecting good, bad news? Tesla earnings. No, it's not going to be a good earnings. The next one will be, but no. Everyone's just buying it. Buy the rumor, sell the news. I expect it to be traded heavily tomorrow. Does Elon still attack? Yes, he does. Yes, he does. You know what? I know why you asked, because he's always said, when there's good news, I can stop showing up. Anyway, but there you go. I am not joking, RW. I still have some Fisker stocks. Yes, lots of people do. They've messaged me to say I'm still holding my Fisker stocks. Anyway, I don't touch it anymore. I have heard that Fisker is going to change its name, but I don't know if it's true. I don't know about that either. Lots of rumors. Please say about Plug. I at loss. Plug. Well, we talked about Plug, didn't we? I did a full review on Plug a couple of days ago. Did you see it? Rather than me go over all the details right now, I've just done some Plug information. Let me have a look. If you join Sensei on Sunday, he will do a chart for you. But there is the Plug video. This one here. Share. Copy link. There you go. If you want this video, there is the Plug video. Let me give it to you here in the chat. We got 2 minutes. I've got to go right on the bell today. Right on the bell because Leah's having her eye checkup today. Wish Leah well. She's having a checkup and hopefully everything will be well today. So we're going to do that. That's why I'm going to ring the bell and end the show immediately. So let me give everyone the link if you want to join us on the Extra channel. Keep the conversation going. I'll be gone a couple of hours. When I get back, I'll be putting these videos out. But for now, I'll be sending you to the Extra channel redirect. There is the Extra channel. Okay. Okay. Right. You've all got the link. Let me give you the Extra channel there as well. And Extra. There it is. Let me end the poll. So 70-30 for Sensei. It's fair enough. It's fair enough. I know when I'm deserted. All the best for Leah. Thank you very much. Well wishes, Leah. Yes, hopefully all will be well. She's not looking forward to it, of course. It's not very nice. All right, so we've got 2 minutes to go. I'm going to ring the bell. I'm going to get out of here, send everyone to the Extra channel, and I'll literally be out of the door right on the bell. So I'm going to be flying out the door. All right. So that's it from me. I'm going to say goodbye to everybody on TikTok. Thank you for joining me. Really appreciate it. That was a lot of fun. Become a subscriber, click the star, and we'll see how it works out. If it works out great, you never know. I might stay here. Bye-bye, everybody. How do I end this? Oh, there. I couldn't work out how to end it. I was like, really? How do I end this? 1,000 views, 1 gifter, 1 diamond. That's how that works. All right. Let me unplug my phone because I am in a hurry. I want to check that out later on, see how it worked. Okay. We're going to send you to the extra channel in just a second. You can see the portfolio is looking good. 1 minute to go. We're going to ring the bell. 107,391. I did add $2,000 today. I got paid on YouTube, just so you know. That's why it's up a bit extra, but we have had a fantastic day. But what it's done is reduced my margin. All I'm doing now is paying back my margin. All right? So that's exactly what we're doing at the moment. Right, let me go to here, end the show, ring the bell. Good luck, Leah. Thank you very much indeed. Feel better, Leah. I didn't get a chance to speak to you, Ed. I did read all your messages. Thank you so much indeed for everything that you do. Take care, Leah. There we go. That's great. Carry on the extra channel, and I will update you how Leah gets on in the chat if I can, and I'll see you back in a bit. We're going to ring the bell. I will see you back in the morning early. We're going to be extra early in the morning, half an hour early, because in the morning we are doing Coca-Cola earnings, and then the closing, then the opening bell. So half an hour earlier in the morning. Here we go. I'll see you back in a bit in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone. See you back in the morning, guys. Nice and early for Coca-Cola earnings. Till next time, take care of yourselves and